Oh hey, welcome to a new video. Today's video is computer life hacks. So, yeah, let's go. To reopen a closed tab, press Ctrl-Shift-T to reopen it. To type faster, put your left hand on the left side and your right hand on the right side. Don't put your laptop on your lap or on the bed. Always try to keep the vents open. Clean your computer by using these softwares. Use the paid antivirus instead of the free antivirus because it will catch more viruses. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button to open the Task Manager.